Hello and welcome to Ada's Delicacies. Happy New Year to everyone. How are you? I hope you had a nice New Year. What we're going to do is we'll be making ofako today. It's known as Banga soup. So I've got some few ingredients we're going to be using today. I've got some washed vegetables and some scent leaf. I've got catfish. I've got stockfish. It's called oporoko in Nigerian language. And then I've got the pan nut. This is the major ingredient in making your ofako. Then you can add pomo. It's called the cow skin here. And then I've got some crayfish. I've got beef as well. You can use beef, you can use goat meat, you can use chicken, but I prefer to use my chicken. So let's start cooking. And also you can use salt. Sorry, I forgot to let you know about that. Salt as well. And then your seasoning, I'm using no. Thank you. So let's start cooking. Woohoo! So let's wash our beef now. Wash your beef, wash it properly. Wash. To take out any dirt from it, you can wash it twice. Yeah. Just wash them. So next thing, we add our chopped onions. That's the chopped onions there. I like to add a lot of onions to it. Yeah. Add your seasoning cube. I'm using just one chicken. You can use any one you want. You can use Maggi chicken depending on your type, but I love to add Then add your salt. I don't really use quantity in adding my salt, but I already know the quantity I use, so it's up to you if you want to add enough or add a little bit, but I am okay with the kind of salt I add. So I just stir them together and then I set it boiling. Then once you've done this, you switch on your gas cooker or whatever way you're using to cook it, and then I'm gonna be using so let's start cooking. So I don't put water in it first because I like the meat stock to boil out a bit before I start putting water. So allow it to cook for like 5 minutes, then you can add your water to it. Thank you. So let's check the pot now. You can see it's boiling for a little bit. That's the way it's boiling. So what you do is add water, just a little water, so that the stock, you get the meat stock properly, and then still cover it to cook for about 10-15 minutes. Thank you. So let's check the meat after 5-10 minutes. It's boiling. So yeah, you can see it's boiling to a consistency which I want. So I put in the stockfish. That's the stockfish called oporoko in the Nigerian language. And then I put the catfish as well. It's all been washed and shredded to remove every bones, and it's been deboned and everything. So I put all that in. Yeah. And then I stir it. And then allow to boil for say another 15 minutes. Yeah. So let's check it and see how far it's boiling. Okay, yeah, we can see the consistency now. It's quite soft. You can check the meat yourself and see how soft it is. So we'll set this aside and we'll start with the ofako. Okay, so I've opened up the ofako. It's like a blended palm nuts. It's been blended, it's been mashed, and it's been sieved as well. So I just pour it separately on a new pot so as just to dissolve it. Yeah. Stir it, and then allow that to at least simmer for about 5 minutes. See what happens. I will scoop it out because I use my money in buying it. So let's see how this works now. Yeah. So we stir it and cover up. I will be pouring out every of the condiments in it because I'm not even gonna let anyone go. So pour it into it, stir it a bit, and then cover it up, allow to boil about 5 minutes. So let's check how far it's boiling. So we can see it's boiling now. So what we then do while it's boiling, we add our meat stock into it. So that's the meat stock there. So we should be careful with the water. Let's not make it too watery, because if it's too watery, the ofako wouldn't turn out nice. So I've added my the meat stock into it, and then I'm stirring it now. Yeah, so I'm stirring it. So I forgot to let you know as well, there's something we'll need to add. It's called Banga spice. I forgot to let you know about that. It's very important if you're cooking ofako. You don't have to add it, but I like to add it because it gives a kind of taste I like. So that's the Banga spice. I just add it into it, and that gives it a really, 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 authentic taste. Okay, so I'll be adding 2 Banga spices there. All this spice, you can get it from the local shops, you can get it from Nigeria, but I like to add it there. So that's it. So I'm stirring it. Coming out nice. So we'll cover it up now, and then I'm going to be adding crayfish as well. So let's cover it up and allow it to boil for a while. Thank you. So let's open it up. Yummy, smelling so nice. Let's add our crayfish. It's been blended. So I'm going to be adding my crayfish in. Wow. Then we stir it. You can see coming out really well. You need to be here. It smells so good and so yummy. Woo. So let's cover it up and allow it to boil for a while. Delicious. So let's check how our yummy ofako is boiling. Let's check it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, looking so juicy. So what we'll do is the final stage, we'll just add the chopped efirin leaf. It's called scent leaf, and ugu. So that's it going in. That's it going in. Wow. So you add that, and then you stir it out. You stir it. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. So have you seen it? It's all coming out nice and clean. So once you add that, just leave it to simmer maybe 2 minutes, and then your ofako is all done. Let's have a taste. You can taste for salt as well, or for pepper or anything. Wow, this is delicious. So viewers, here is the finished look of my yummy looking ofe akwu. You can wash this down with a bottle of malt or a cold drink. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to family and friends. And if you feel there's something I should have done better, please do not forget to comment on this. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.